Did you know that a simple roadside stop can turn deadly in just seconds? Barbara loved being a vet. At 36, she'd seen every animal you could imagine. On this perfect spring day, she was driving to a farm call with her windows down, breathing in the fresh air. She pulled over for a quick break near some trees. What she didn't see was the disturbed beehive just feet away. Back on the highway at 65 miles per hour, dozens of angry bees suddenly poured through her open windows, the car filled with buzzing chaos. Then Barbara discovered something terrifying. She was allergic. Her face started swelling, her vision blurred from multiple stings. Frantically swatting bees while driving, she lost control. Her car weaved across 3 lanes of heavy traffic. She clipped 2 vehicles before crashing through a fence into a pasture. Barbara stumbled from the wreckage, covered in stings but alive. She learned that even the smallest distraction at highway speeds can be deadly. Every crash has a story. Every story has a lesson.